What if the problem is not that children can't sit still? What if the problem is that we made human beings live in ways they were never designed to live? Because kids are not built for 8 hours of stillness. And honestly, neither are you. We call it bad behavior. We call it hyperactivity. We call it poor self control. But maybe the nervous system is screaming for movement and we ignore it. We live in a world where children sit at desks, adults sit in cars, then sit at jobs, then sit on couches, then lay in bed scrolling glowing rectangles. And we wonder, why are anxiety, attention problems, emotional dysregulation, exhaustion, and nervous system burnout exploding everywhere? Because the body was never designed for this much stillness. Movement is not optional. Movement builds the brain. And people think movement is just exercise. No, movement is neurological development. When children climb, swing, spin, run, roll, jump, their brains are wiring themselves. The body is teaching the nervous system where I am, how much force do I use, how do I balance, how do I focus, how do I regulate emotion, how do I feel safe in motion. Movement literally organizes the brain. And here's the terrifying part. When children do not move enough, the brain still craves that information. So the nervous system starts searching for it. The wild behavior, the crashing into the walls, the constant spinning, the inability to sit still. The body may be starving for movement. The modern world is overstill. Think about previous generations. Kids climbed trees, built forts, rode bikes for hours, played tag until sunset, hung upside down, rolled down hills, jumped fences, explored. Now, screens, cars, desks, schedules, indoor living, fear, overmanagement. We've replaced movement with entertainment. And now we have weaker bodies, more anxious nervous system, less resilience, lower attention spans, and people disconnected from their own bodies. Not just children, adults too. This is about you too, and about me. You know what's fascinating? Adults get the wiggles too. We just rename them. Restlessness, burnout, anxiety, mental fog, depression, doom scrolling, pacing, stress eating, nervous habits, tapping the leg, scratching. Your nervous system still wants movement. Your body still wants walking, climbing, carrying, crawling, stretching, dancing, running, exploring. Just if you haven't done it in a while, just do a little bit at a time and get your body used to it. Your body will adapt, I promise you. Because movement regulates emotion. Movement stabilizes attention. Movement grounds the nervous system. Movement changes brain chemistry. Your brain releases chemicals during movement that improve memory, focus, mood, motivation, learning, emotional regulation. We are biological creatures pretending we are machines. And the body keeps sending reminders. The sitting trap. Here's the trap modern society created. We made stillness equal productivity. Sit still, pay attention, don't move, stay quiet, be productive. But many people do not learn better through stillness. They learn after movement. Movement prepares the brain for focus. This is why some people suddenly think clearly while walking, exercising, hiking, cleaning, driving, swimming. Driving? I say driving, walking. This is why some people suddenly think clearly while walking, exercising, hiking, cleaning, swimming. The body wakes up the brain. The deeper message. This is bigger than exercise. This is about becoming fully alive again. The modern world disconnects people from nature. Physicality. The modern world The deeper message. This is bigger than exercise. This is about becoming fully alive again. The modern world disconnects people from nature, physicality, adventure, exploration, embodiment. And then people wonder why they feel numb. The nervous system was designed for engagement with reality, not endless passive consumption. Maybe healing starts with movement again, not punishment. Not punishment movement. Not burn calories movement, real movement, play, adventure, exploration, embodied living. So if your child can't sit still all day, if you can't sit still all day, If your child can't sit still all day, if you can't sit still all day, so if your child can't sit still all day and you can't sit still all day, maybe they aren't broken. Maybe you aren't broken. Maybe we are all human. And if you feel restless, anxious, disconnected, foggy, exhausted, maybe your nervous system is asking for the same thing. Move, walk, climb, stretch, dance, carry things, go outside, play again. Heck, just bounce. Because movement is not just exercise. Movement is life itself. You know, Tai Chi in the park. Well, you see this park that I'm at, all I hear is cars going by. And I haven't seen a person most of the afternoon here. So train your mind, train your body, train your nervous system. Get outside, go for a walk. Because what you repeatedly practice, you become. Love and peace, my friends. I wish you wisdom and understanding. Enjoy this day. I am Animal Elvis. Let's get your animal out.